We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hey everyone, it's time for our Hakka lesson of the day.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And these days, a lot of people have credit cards and they earn money and spend money, and this is becoming a problem, a social problem. Let's teach everybody some financial terms, simple financial terms that are associated with credit cards and spending, etc., because it's an issue that we got to watch out. A lot of people are in debt, and you don't want to be in debt forever. 所以第一个呢，控制消费怎么说？
控制消费。
控制消费 ，OK, that means control your spending. 也就是说，不要乱花钱嘛。
莫乱花钱嘛。
罚钱，对，不要被罚钱呢。
没有，该罚钱哦。
罚钱啊？
罚钱才是。罚钱
你不是在讲罚钱？
我是说不要乱花钱。
乱花钱。
唔好乱罚钱。
唔好乱罚钱，也唔好乱罚钱，也不要。
唔好本罚钱。
本罚钱。And then when you do spend, let's say you use your credit card, etc., you have to know the interest rate. You see, the interest rate is very, very crucial. If you owe money for an extended period of time, that interest rate could rack up to more than what you spend. 了解利息，利息这个东西怎么讲？了解利息。
了解。
了解。
利息。
利息。了解是 understand, right? 了解 is understand. 利息 is interest rate, okay? And every month when you get your monthly statement, if you can't pay the full amount, at least you should pay the minimum balance or the minimum payment. 有所谓的最低应缴金额，怎么说？
最大。
最大，看他最大，还要洗手了，最大的还要洗手，最大是 lowest。应缴，好像叫马英九的名字哦。应缴啊，应缴。对了，应缴 is 应缴 the minimum payment。
金
額 amount. Okay, so there you go. Let's review some of those terms again to control your spending.
控制消费。
控制消费 understand the interest rate.
了解利息。
了解利息 and pay the minimum balance. 最大是什么？應繳金額There you go. That's paying the minimum balance. That does it for our Hakka lesson of the day.
什麼太嘎？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.